regarding the expansion of the highway. Some people have received notices informing them that their land is going to be acquired for this expansion. Now, I saw a few of the notices, and in those notices that I saw, I think some are losing about 60 square meters. I think the largest area that I saw was 120 square meters. Now at this meeting, they are going to know exactly how far the expansion is going to be, because some people are worried, thinking that their houses are going to be acquired and they'll have to be demolished and they'll be houseless or homeless. But when I went to the site, I have realized that no house is going to be touched. Maybe one or two structures that have come recently, and they are not houses. They are some food selling outlet or something like that. They may be touched. But otherwise, no house is being touched except maybe a compound wall here and there. And I was talking to the officers, and they have said if the compound wall is going to be demolished, then they will be reconstructing the compound wall for the respective houses.
सरकारान हे हायवे खातीर जमीन वतल्यांक स्क्वेअर मेत्राक 1200 रुपया रेट ठरयला, मात लोकांक ते मान्य ना. लोक म्हणटा मार्केट रेट चल्ला स्क्वेअर मेत्राक 15,000.
So have you put your demand before the MLA?
Yeah, we have put, so she is saying we'll be compensated at the market rate. But this is the market rate, I don't agree with it, 1200. It's nearly nonsense. For me, it's really nonsense. 15,000, almost a difference of 13,800. So it's quite a less. So I don't agree with it.
You have raised your objection?
No, I'm going to raise an objection now, because I've come to know today about the thing, whatever it is. I'll approach my advocate and I tell this is the issue. So you better, I'm going to fight. Whatever it is, I'm going to go forward.
तुम्ही आता त्या लँड एक्विजिशन ओपोज बी करताय?
हांव ओपोज करता म्हणजे हांव ओपोज करूं आनी ओपोज करपाक आनी कांय ना. हांव जाल्यार मुगे हेजेर सांगता तुका, हेजेर जनरल नॉलेज कितें दे ऑलरेडी फिक्स एवरीथिंग. नाव दे आर जस्ट मेक फूल फॉर अस. This is just to show us that they are call us and they give us something. But they're going to pay, I don't know how much they're going to pay. They're not going to tell anything for that what they are paying for us. But we required how much they are going to pay the compensation and all. But they are not saying anything. They have just said, pay you this thing, bring your document and give it a document and so on. And we are going to give the document anyhow. But then after we'll come to know what they are going to give us. But I think so, they have already done everything, and then after that they said they fool for us.
ओल्ड गोवा करमळे फ्लायओव्हराचे बुन्यादी फातराच्या सुवाळ्यात PWD मंत्री सुदिनान कुठ्ठाळच्या लोकांचो विषय काढलो. सुदिनूय म्हणटा कुठ्ठाळच्या लोकांचे सगळे प्रश्न जाग्यार घालतले.
जी घरां जीर्ण जाल्ली आसा, ज्या घरांचे पारे मातयेचे आसा, ज्या घरांक स्लॅब ना, ते सुद्दां गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान करून दिवपाचें थारायल्लें आसा. आणि हे सगळे श्रेय आज माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहरजी पर्रीकाराक वता. लोकांनी केओस करचो न्हय. हांव कुठ्ठाळीच्या लोकां कडेनूय मागता की तांणी म्हजे कडेन येवचें, मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन येवचें, तांच्या आमदाराक घेवन येवचें, तांच्या लिडराक घेवन येवचें, सरपंचाक घेवन येवचें.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.